I don't know, I feel like it's going to taste bad, but I have hope. Jesus, watch glue on my eye. I eat that. And I say me a hot girl. Why when I reach home I deal with that? Can't bother. Y'all like the feet? This is what it looks like. It better friggin' taste good. Let's me carry back. I joke, man, I carry back.
You're serious, you will do it.
That's true. Then what you get? Wow, your chicken. Don't tell me no. Don't tell me no. But one. Because from the other day, from the other day, I realized you like to tell me no, and I don't want to hear it.
What we had? Rice this?
No, noodles.
Rice.
Rice? It's rice?
Yeah, bro.
Carrot back. You said noodles. Bro, these people are so weird. They got his order wrong. They got mine right. But apparently what we got was not the correct order. It was apparently the person who was before us. We never know nobody did the info until you. So they're literally just doing our order now. But the thing is, I guess what the other person ordered is what I ordered, which is the right order. And it's like he's not saying that we're gonna exchange it. He's like, so I'm gonna take this take fair one and put back your one pound. Like, sir, if you're just gonna exchange it, just say that. Why do you gotta be running around, ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy, all of that? Come on. Now I'm starting to wonder if this is actually my right order, because shrimp them look very lily. As usual, I don't know why I took shrimp, but we're gonna do a little taste test to see if this food is busting or not. Because if it is busting, I'm quite frankly going to be very upset. Because now I'm starting to think that this isn't my right order. Should I just give them back this too? Start off with the veg. It's actually kind of sweet. Now the noodles. It's just broccoli. It's not bad, but would I buy it again? No. Let's taste the shrimp. Not bad, but as I said, I don't think it's something that I would personally like to buy. But it's good. It's alright. And I feel like if I say something is alright, then it's actually alright, because I am very picky. I literally didn't even want to come here because I'm really picky. So I'm supposed to be going out today at 1 with Anisha Adams. She's a YouTuber. But sis ain't answering my text. Like, girl, I gotta know at least in an hour in advance if we're still doing this or not, because I will literally stay home and nobody gonna away. Worse, cause I go out last night and ooh child. ooh child. I was a little bit overly intoxicated, and I decided I wasn't going to cancel on her today. Yeah, I decided to say, yo, even if I have a hangover, I'm still gonna go hang out with her. So hopefully she answers though. Kind of looking forward to it. She suggested this Indian restaurant. I've never had Indian food, so yeah. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today is going to be self-care day. I almost postponed it. I'm not even gonna lie. I was going to film the outro part of this hair video that I had to do. I decided that I'm not doing it. I'm actually going to wash my hair today and slick it down. Yeah, I'm just gonna do some self-care. I'm going to shave my legs. I'm gonna do myself a little scrub. I'm gonna make a scrub. I bought some turmeric the other day. The parts that I shave, I want to start like using the turmeric scrub on those areas. So I won't get any discoloration or hyperpigmentation, or like if I do have any scars, I can try to lighten the scars. So I want to start doing that, and I'm also going to start having like a schedule of, you know, when in the week I need to do this scrub, or when in the week I need to touch up whatever I try to maintain. I just want to start taking better care of myself. My nails need to be done. I could ask Shanita to do them or go to another nail tech or whatever, but I want to do it myself. I am going to use that nail polish that I showed you guys in one of them vlog day from Nail Addict. I'm going to try a different color. I'm not going to use white or pink. We're going to see if I can use a different color today. I'm going to soak them off with some acetone now because it's gel polish, and I already took off the wig. I have on the wig cap same way, so I'm going to wash my all right, let's see what is on the agenda for today's self-care thingamajig. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take off this nail polish. I'm gonna let it soak off. After it soaks off, then I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I am going to wash my hair, and then after I wash my hair, I'm going to shave my legs and wherever else needs to be shaved. I don't really know yet because I shaved recently and I don't want to like irritate my skin. Then I'm gonna do my face routine. Yeah, so I'm good so far. Then after that, I'm go to do a cut piece of aloe vera because I did not know aloe vera was here, because I was really about to buy aloe vera gel. So I'm glad that aloe vera is out there, so I don't need to buy the gel again. So I'm gonna use that and put on my skin wherever I shave to help soothe it and whatever, because it's like I never know what to use on my skin after shaving. So gonna do that. I also have tender skin, but as myself, let me see what else do I want to do. Yeah, I'm also filming a tutorial of how I slick down my hair, so when I finish slicking it down, I guess I'll come back on camera, probably like do my eyebrow and my lashes and show the final reveal of that in that video. I'm not doing that in this video. Might do a little spring cleaning in my room. It's not really that dirty. Things are just like misplaced. I just really need to organize. Like, I really need to organize. Yeah, I think that is on the agenda. I just want to feel good about myself because I feel really demotivated. Let's get into it. Oh no, it's not morning. Oops. So it is 12:46. We have decided that we want to watch Spider-Man. So for some reason last night we couldn't buy the tickets online. Don't know what was up with that. So we're literally going to Carib right now. See if we can get tickets for today. If we can't get them for today, then hopefully for tomorrow. If we don't get to go to the movies today, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put on a different wig because I don't really want to have on this wig right now. I had stopped accepting curly hair for a hot minute because it was like every person wanted to send me a deep wave. I didn't have too much, but now I realize I kind of mess up the lace and the one here. I give her one and the other two are just not it. So I want back some more. You know how that go. I'll let you know if we got the tickets or not. So guys, we got our tickets to see Spidey-Man. Damn, they ain't got no more 2-for-1 shit. But it's okay though. The time we got though was for 4:05 and it is now 1:30 and we have a couple errands to run. I think we can do it still. Cause one, and I like me I go do no dress up and no makeup or whatever. I'm literally going, is that going on my face? That's exactly how I'm going. I just need to find maybe a little cute outfit. But yeah, that's about it. I really need back a black sneakers. I don't want to wear no slippers. I'll see you guys when I'm gonna get ready and take you with me to the movies later. So guys, we actually made it and it is now almost basically 4 o'clock. I'm not really a Spidey-Man fan, but I'm a little excited. We don't even get to change the clothes. I literally just had to go back. Luckily, I didn't have this female, so we just ran for that because I know I'm going to be cold in there. Oh wow, the skin is skinning. Look at my skin. Where you live?
What the fuck is this?
Guys, so I am home from the movies and wow, it was actually good. I don't watch Spider-Man, so it's like I didn't know what it was all about, you know, the plot. It had me crying in the club, bro. Marie left it a ball at one of the scenes. I thought this vlog was gonna be a little bit longer so I could have had a day in my life vlog, but I guess I'm going to have to let this roll over into tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do now is actually I'm tired. Yes, I'm tired. I am going to put on a wig. Well, no, lie. I'm not going to put on a wig. Well, I might put on the wig tonight. So I'm going to take off this wig. And I have like 4 other wig videos that I need to do. So I need to sort those out, get them out, get that out. So when we kind of settle down, I'll talk back to you. Yeah. Look on my head. How does it grow this fast, bro? Like, how does it grow this fast? I've had a long morning and it is now 12:27. I have the nail set to go at 2 o'clock to get my nails filled. And now, well, I did wash some clothes from morning, took some up off the line, put some sheets and stuff to soak. So when I come off the road and thing, I come back, hang those out, take up what I already did on the line. Yeah, sounds like a plan. So now I'm going to Dr. Spice to get my baby some food. I already ate and I don't want no Dr. Spice. So I'm about to do something to my hair. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to throw on a wig because that is what I do best. I'm going to try and find one of my headband wigs and put on because I'm in a mood, honestly. So let me go look for that and come back.
In the bushes are pigeon of it, no show them bust a pretty boy. You never said it before, she said. Knock me and knock it out like a woman up. To the top, turn around, be a bag of drop, baby. Use me black. Bubble you a bubble, and packle. Bubble you a bubble.
Okay, so I look stupid. So mosquito them, man. Anyways, so it is the day after Boxing Day. Your girl is a little bit under the weather, so I came to Portland Friday. Today is Monday. So Friday night I went out with my friends. Saturday morning I came back home, spent Christmas with Daddy, and we just chilled. We literally just chilled for the entire day. We cooked, we had some little mishaps here and there, but then we watched TV, we chats, and that was it. Nothing spectacular. I don't really do anything spectacular around Christmas time. I just like to be here and know that both of us are in the house together, you know what I mean? So that's basically it. That's all I did for Christmas. I didn't have no fancy big dinner with, yeah, I didn't do all of that. Yesterday, which was Boxing Day, I went to the beach with the same friends, but in the night, you know, we did for par and whatever, but I started to have a headache. One, the wig that I had on was tight as hell, but it's because it wasn't glued down, I didn't want it to drop off. So it was a bit too snug on my head, and I think that's why I had a headache. And then my throat started feeling funny, so I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go home and I'll go do this to myself. And there were a bag of people knowing that I'm not feeling well, so I took my butt home. So last night I literally put on socks and rub Vicks on my foot and put onion in my socks, because I heard that helps with sicknesses. I woke up and I didn't feel too bad, but it's still, I'm still not really feeling it. Daddy mix up some honey, molasses, cayenne pepper, garlic, lime, little shot of rum, eucalyptus oil, and God he knows what else. Did I say garlic? Everything. He put everything in that and gave me some to take. I'm going to take some more pills soon, and I'm just gonna stay out of everybody's way, because one, I don't think it's COVID. What I think happened is because it has been raining a lot over here, so Kingston was hot, and then I come over here and I was sleeping with my father, and he always has to have the fan on, and it was kind of on me, and I don't sleep with the fan directly on me ever, because my body will just start acting up. I will get a sore throat, my nose will be runny, all that stuff. So I try not to sleep with the fan directly on me. It is, I hate it. So that happened, and I just had a feeling that I would be kind of sick the next day. So lo and behold, I woke up feeling unwell. But you know what is so annoying to me? Because of all this Rona COVID stuff, it's like you can't catch a regular flu anymore. As soon as you start to cough or you have a little runny nose, like, people don't think about allergies or sinus issues or anything like that. Once you start doing COVID, shut up, Jesus. Yes, we need to be cautious, and we need to social distance, and we need to wear a mask and stuff. I'm not being irresponsible here, but yeah, it just really annoying. Say, I don't feel like people can't catch look a regular flu again, look a regular cold. Like, relax, man. Don't stop calling COVID on people. Like, I literally saw somebody on Twitter say, all who never catch COVID, or definitely gonna catch it. No, this one, nah, missing. Like, why would you say that? Like, that's so weird. That's so weird for someone to say. I know I look very homeless right now, but one, this is what my hair looks like, and I don't want to see me like that, so I rather put on my one time. Now we're on myself, I buy more for the new year, but just never get around to it, so that's why I'm gonna keep on seeing the one stay weird tam. Yeah. Vlogmas, the reason I stopped, I don't think I told you guys on YouTube, but on Instagram I did tell you guys, the rest of the content that I did have to post, a lot of it was sponsored, and I didn't get feedback for the sponsored content in time, and it's like I didn't have any backup videos to post, so I didn't get to finish it. And I'm not like, look, a Vlogmas thing that stressed me out. The 12 days of Shelmas, it was stressing me out because I didn't pre-record. I didn't get time to pre-record all of the content. I only pre-recorded like the first 4 days, and that is what went up. After that, I was trying to do it day by day. So I film in the day, edit, and then post it by the night. After I put on data, because I don't know how the Wi-Fi thing go already. It was a hot mess, and it was draining me. Sometimes people that ask me if I could go out with them, and I'd be like, no, I gotta stay home and film and edit and upload my video, because money talk. We can always go out with it at the time, but right now, money talk. So yeah, that is what happened for Shelmas. I am so sorry I couldn't get to finish it. I really tried. I really tried. Like, even some of you noticed that I put effort into trying so hard to be more consistent, or to just stick to the plan, but everything doesn't always work out as planned, and that is okay. I did the best I could. Next year I will pre-record from November, so there's that. I think that is all I really have to say for this vlog. Also, yeah, you know, the girl is the dolly is not feeling too well, so the dolly is going to wrap up this vlog, and I think I will have at least one more video up for you guys before the year ends. Don't know if it's gonna be a sponsored video or not, but if it is, then for January I'm coming back with the manifestation slash vision board making video. I am not going to do the vision board that I personally have for 2022, but I will show you guys how to make your own vision boards, or I will show you guys the process or the thought process of how I did the last one that I had. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. For obvious reasons, I will not be sharing my goals because I feel like certain things you should just keep to yourself. Yeah, I don't want no bad energy all over my ideas. I'll keep that between me and God and my very close friends. Yeah, I think that is all I have to say this video. I am just going, I'm literally editing this vlog right now. This that I'm recording right now is supposed to go in it, and that's that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your 2021, and we're going into 2022 positive and happy and successful and all these wonderful things. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Judge, I'm a look dead. Bye.